9 Powerful benefits of eating chickpeas every day. When discussing foods that are rich in nutrition, chickpeas may not be the initial thought. However, this plant-based food is abundant in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Often referred to as a superfood, chickpeas offer numerous health advantages, including aiding digestion and potentially serving as a cancer preventive. Join us today as we delve into the 9 scientifically proven health benefits of chickpeas, highlighting why you should consider incorporating them into your diet. Protein. Chickpeas are abundant in protein, which plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy diet. Protein aids in the healing, repair, and development of essential tissues and structures within the body. Chickpeas serve as an excellent source of the necessary proteins for these functions. Research suggests that the protein quality found in chickpeas surpasses that of other legumes, as they contain nearly all of the essential amino acids. Whether you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, chickpeas can be an ideal addition to meet your nutritional needs. However, it is important to note that chickpeas should not be relied upon as the sole source of protein in your diet. Diabetes. Chickpeas play a role in preventing and controlling diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. Their high content of soluble fiber and low glycemic index contribute to this effect. Chickpeas optimize digestion, which is crucial for managing diabetes. Consuming foods low on the glycemic index may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and certain heart diseases by minimizing fluctuations in insulin and blood sugar levels. Researchers conducted a study comparing the impact on insulin sensitivity between chickpea-based and wheat-based foods. The findings indicated that chickpea-based foods may be more beneficial for maintaining stable blood glucose levels compared to wheat-based alternatives. Lose weight. If your goal is weight loss, incorporating chickpeas into your diet can be highly beneficial due to their nutrient-rich composition and high dietary fiber content. The fiber present in chickpeas can help you feel full for an extended period by interacting with the hunger hormone ghrelin. Additionally, the combination of protein and fiber in chickpeas may help regulate your appetite, leading to a reduction in calorie intake during meals. A study demonstrated that individuals who regularly consumed chickpeas had a 50% lower likelihood of having a body mass index, BMI, exceeding 30, and they were more likely to have a smaller waist circumference compared to those who consumed chickpeas less frequently. Another study discovered that individuals who consumed at least one serving of legumes, including chickpeas, daily experienced a 25% greater weight loss compared to those who did not consume legumes. Problems with digestion. If you are experiencing digestive issues, incorporating chickpeas into your diet may provide relief. Chickpeas are rich in dietary fiber, which can greatly benefit your digestion. Research suggests that a diet rich in fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, reduces inflammation, alleviates cramping, and minimizes bloating. The fiber found in chickpeas is primarily soluble, meaning it combines with water to form a gel-like substance in your digestive system. This characteristic of chickpeas aids in improving the digestion and absorption of nutrients, ensuring that you derive maximum nutritional value from the foods you consume. Strength for your bones. Chickpeas contribute to the strength of your bones by providing essential vitamins and minerals that support bone health. Nutrients such as iron, calcium, and other minerals present in chickpeas are beneficial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These minerals play a crucial role in enhancing bone density and may help prevent age-related conditions like osteoporosis. Including chickpeas in your diet can be an excellent way to promote optimal bone structure and strength, thanks to their rich nutrient profile. Heart health. Chickpeas play a significant role in improving your heart health, and there are two distinct ways in which they provide a boost. Firstly, chickpeas are rich in soluble fiber, which helps in maintaining balanced cholesterol levels. By regulating cholesterol, chickpeas contribute to the prevention of conditions such as atherosclerosis, strokes, and heart attacks. Moreover, chickpeas are completely cholesterol-free, which means that consuming them can reduce the levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, in your bloodstream. A review of studies suggests that including at least one serving of legumes like chickpeas in your daily diet can lead to a substantial reduction in bad cholesterol, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Furthermore, chickpeas contain potassium, B vitamins, magnesium, selenium, and iron, all of which contribute to supporting heart health. Brain functions. Chickpeas serve as an outstanding source of nutrients that support optimal brain function and mental well-being. One key component contributing to this is the presence of choline in chickpeas. Choline, found in significant amounts in just one serving of chickpeas, about 70 milligrams, plays a vital role in supporting the brain and nervous system. It is involved in various functions such as mood regulation, muscle control, memory enhancement, and overall metabolic processes within the body. Additionally, chickpeas contain magnesium, a crucial mineral for nerve function. Research indicates that nutrients present in chickpeas, including magnesium, selenium, and zinc, can potentially help combat symptoms of depression and anxiety. The combination of these nutrients in chickpeas contributes to supporting brain health and promoting mental well-being. Decrease the chances of anemia. Incorporating chickpeas into your diet can reduce the risk of developing anemia. Iron plays a crucial role in delivering oxygen to your body's cells, and without an adequate supply of iron, you may experience fatigue and weakness. In severe cases, iron deficiency can lead to life-threatening complications. A cup of chickpeas contains approximately 5 milligrams of iron, which is nearly half of your daily requirement. Additionally, chickpeas contain vitamin C, which enhances the absorption of iron in the body. By regularly consuming chickpeas, you can lower the likelihood of developing iron deficiency, as they provide a significant source of iron along with vitamin C to support its absorption. Prevent cancer. Chickpeas have the potential to aid in the prevention of cancer. One of the underlying causes of cancer is the presence of free radicals in the body. These harmful substances are unstable atoms that can cause damage to your cells, leading to illness and accelerated aging. Free radicals are also associated with various diseases. However, chickpeas contain antioxidants like selenium and beta-carotene, which assist in eliminating free radicals from the body. A single cup of chickpeas provides approximately 6 micrograms of selenium. It is recommended that adults consume around 55 micrograms of selenium per day, and incorporating chickpeas into your diet can actively contribute to safeguarding your body against cancer. Incorporating chickpeas into your daily diet is incredibly convenient. They are affordable, highly versatile, and can be added to a wide range of dishes, including salads, soups, and sandwiches. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.